Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you again one more incredible plugin that you guys will love it. So this is a transition plugin and I use for many of my videos, and today I'm just using it on this very awesome Same Coder vlog. Please check out his channel and let's begin. So basically, after you purchase, yes, you have to buy it. It's around $30 over. Again, it's worth your money, trust me. You unzip the zip folder and then you realize that there are two files. One is the help document, one is the actual ultimate transition pack. When you open this folder, you can see that there are 21 categories. Count. If there are any less, please go sound off to the author. So how do you install it? So basically you have to copy this file, go to home, then movies, motion templates, and then transitions. Yeah, that's all you need to do. See, I've already copied my files here. So yeah, you just do exactly as what I did and you should be fine. If you don't have the transition folder, just create a folder exactly with the same name and also the extension of localized. Similarly, if you do not have the motion template file, just create a motion template folder and make sure you have the same extension name of localized. Then restart your Final Cut Pro 10 and go to this small icon here. You can drag it up a bit and you can find this ultimate transition pack, and you can even close the information bar and have a very quick look on how many transitions are there. If you are free, you can count yourself. There should be 200 over, and if you want, you can hang your mouse over them and have a very quick preview of what is happening on this transition. And to prove, it's already in 4K resolution, so it doesn't really matter if you click 4K on it. So the first transition I'm introducing to you guys is one of the coolest transitions, I think. It's called the fire transition. Similarly, once you put your mouse over the icon, you can always have a very quick preview of what is happening on this transition. I will just choose this fire 04. I can always lengthen it or shorten it, very simple. I can change the timing of this transition and just have a very quick preview. Yep, from bottom to up. You can always change the direction from right to left, left to right. You can even change the fire color to, I don't know, green, yellow, blue. Even the fire particles, you can change to green, blue, purple. Yep, it's cool. It's very awesome. Let's try fire 03. Lengthen it around this time. And we're gonna have something fun, real cool. I'm just create two keyframes for fire color, fire particle. So when this fire is starting to appear, I create another keyframe, and then in the middle around here, I'll just change the color for the fire and the color of the particle to this purplish fire. Yep. And then at the end, I'll change the color again to this very neon blue color for fire and as well as the particle. And then let's see the final result. I think it's gonna be like those Narnia, I don't know, or Lord of the Rings kind of transitions. You can see it's so freaking cool. You can see that the fire is coming from bright golden color to all the way become a very bluish color, and the fire particles. And the next one will be flare transitions. This is also very, very applicable to many of the travel vlogs, travel documentaries, or I don't know, commercials. It's very cool. You can hang your mouse over them and see, yeah, I'm just gonna try this flare 04, shorten it to around this time, and then I can always change the hue color. This is a very warm color and it's so cold up there in the mountains. So I'm just gonna change to a very cold bluish and see. It just wows me sometimes to see all these transitions. It's so natural but so good looking. Of course, if you don't like flare, you can always try leaks. So there are also a lot of different leak, and I'm gonna just use this one. Yeah, this one looks nice. I'm just gonna drag it over the clip, similarly shorten the time and adjust the hue. Actually, this hue is already kind of very cold blue, so yeah, I'm not gonna change much about this color, maybe just a little bit. And then when you play it, fantastic. It just makes you feel so glad to have this transition pack. So next up will be the kaleidoscope transitions. It's very useful when you're diving into the sea. Let's try it. So I just drag it and let's see the original one. Yup, it creates those like very fainting kind of look. So you're diving into the ocean. And let's try another one. The first kaleidoscope, and then we are going to shorten the time to around this time and see if it creates a better result. It's looking more dynamic, and let's try shorten the time a little bit more. Yep, it is having an even greater result, so you can always play around the timings to see what is the best time for the transition to take place and how long it should be. And then I'll go on to the camera movement transitions. So these transitions are like the simulation of the camera movement. It's very useful if you're doing some movements or very dynamic kind of movies, emotions. Let's just try it. So I'm just gonna choose the skew and shorten the time to around this time. Yeah, you can see it's camera movement from the bottom right corner to the upper left hand corner, and you can always change the direction. Like this one is diagonal 4, you can change to diagonal 3, so it's changed to another direction. And then we'll be moving on to the comics one. This comic one is a very cool one because, as you can see from the preview, it's a very anime or Marvel-ish transition. Let's try this one first. You can drag it onto your clip, and then when you play, it looks like this. Very professional, very comic. You can always change the tint for the first part of the transition and second part of the transition. Yep, but it looks awesome already, so I'm not going to change anything. Try another one. This one, you can see that there are 3 places with words, and all this can be adjusted. As always, you can change the tint, and then you can change the text. For like this one, to be continued, I'm going to change to vlog number blah blah blah. Yeah, all the hashtag signs. And then the next text, snap, I'm going to change to, I don't know, wow, because I'm not a very creative person. I don't really know what to change, but yeah, you get the idea. And for the last part, the WAM part, I'm going to change to Indonesia, because this is a same coder. Again, please check out his channel, he's awesome. Yeah, this is like a vlog when he's in Indonesia, so I'm just gonna put Indonesia here. And when you play it back, it looks amazing. Yep, and it looks comic. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to show you guys the glitch transitions. So how can you forget the very powerful glitch transitions? And they are very applicable, and they are just awesome. I'm just gonna choose one of them, Pixel, and without changing much, you can see that by just shortening the time, it looks already fantastic. Let's change another one, Chromatic, also change the timing a bit. Wow, it looks so futuristic. And the last one, this one is like a combination of 3 glitch transitions, and this transition just look amazing. And that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please check out my channel and watch more of my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you liked my video today. If you don't really like it, drop a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.